how to delete your Philips Hue account permanently. So in here, the very first thing that you guys want to do is simply open your Hue application, or you can simply get into philipshue.com, and then from there make sure that you are logged into your account, right? So after successfully logging into your account, you can actually get into the settings of your account. For that, again, simply tap on that profile icon there, and then you can get into settings where you'll need to tap on Hue bridge. Then you can tap on remove bridge and remove that bridge completely. So after doing that, you can actually again log in online. Like I said, you can get into the you can get into the website. Then from there you can simply log into your account. Then you can access your profile by simply tapping on the profile icon right here. You'll be able to see the option of profile settings. Tap on that one, and then you can scroll all the way down to bottom, and then you'll be able to see the option of delete account. Tap on that one, and then you can re-enter the password, and then you can confirm deletion, and that is exactly how you'll be able to delete your Philips Hue account permanently.